You are the fastest pup in town. Drive over these pads to get a speed boost. Great work, pup! Good job, pup! Look, a songbird. Can you fix its house? Right on, pup! Keep going, pup! Just a few more treats to get your prize! It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! When your pup eats a super treat, it can go really fast! Katie's calling. Look, Katie has something to say. Someone is hitting Katie's pet shampoo. Can you find it? Oh, good find, pup! Let's bring it to Katie. Hooray! Thanks to you, Katie will be able to bathe the pets again. It's a super treat! Tap it to eat it! Sky! You did it, pup! Paw Patrol! Thanks for hurrying, pups! A storm passed over Yumi's farm and startled the chickens. The chickens escaped, and now they're everywhere. We need to help Farmer Yumi round them up. Chase, I'll need you to round up the stray chickens with your megaphone. All right, Paw Patrol is on a roll. Chasin', Cluck Cluck, run amok. Tap on the screen to move Chase around the field. When Chase gets close, the chickens will move away from him. Get them to move back into their coop. This is the chicken coop. Find all the chickens and bring them back to the coop. Don't worry if they split up. You can go back and get them later. Hey, it's Chickaletta. Hi, Chickaletta. Great work, pups! Farmer Yumi will be happy. You're really good pups. Time for treats! A broken lamppost. Do you see it? Almost there. Katie's calling. Look, Katie has something to say. Katie lost her cat, Callie. Can you find Callie? Almost there, pup. Find a few pup treats to win a prize. Aw, nice work, pup. Katie is really happy now that Callie is back. It's a super treat. Tap it to eat it. Water the flowers with Marshall and watch them grow. You did it, pup! Oops! A fire hydrant has lost its red cap. Can you find it?